Hello, everyone. I hope every one of you is doing great. And for making you even better, I have this new video. So let's see what we have in our today's lesson. So today we have a writing lesson with us. And today's objective for this writing lesson is that by the end of this video, you will be able to link two simple sentences using but to express basic contrast in given prompts or a model. So let's see how does that work for both of us. I hope you will enjoy this video as much and would try to fulfill this objective by the end of it. Before we move on to the writing part, let's read the following sentences. These sentences are divided into two clauses meaning two parts. The first part is an independent clause, which means that without mentioning the second part, we can understand them on its own. They do not require any other details, but some clauses does depend on the previous ones. We have example of both. Let's check. For example, he stumbled, didn't fall. If I want to explain both of the sentences in a single sentence, how would I be able to? Similar is the second one. I want to go to the party. I'm so tired. The first sentence is making complete sense, and the other one is negating the first idea. It means that the second sentence or second part of the sentence doesn't support the previous idea. So, but I also need to say them in one single sentence. I won't be able to say it until there is something in the middle. Let's see with the other sentences. For example, I want to buy a car. I don't have money. I need to finish this project. I don't have time. I studied for the test. I failed it. All these sentences are to be said in the same one sentence, but we won't be able to say it until and unless there is another word in the middle joining both of them. Let's see how would we be able to do it. The magical glue to stick both parts of the sentence together is but. We use this word when we need to introduce a phrase or clause contrasting with what has already been mentioned. It means that earlier we said something and we use but to negate from that first thought in our sentences. Let's see how it works by using previous sentences which we have read before. Let's use the but now in the sentences we discussed earlier. The first one is he stumbled but didn't fall. Here, but didn't fall is negating the possibility of falling, which is presupposed that the one who stumbles can fall. So this sentence means that he stumbled, but nothing happened and he didn't fall. Similarly, in the sentences which are coming, same formula is applied. For example, I want to go to the party, but I'm so tired. I want to buy a car, but I don't have money. I need to finish this project, but I don't have time. I studied for the test, but I failed it. Now let's try to make sentences on our own. For that, you have to perform a quiz in your Edbox section first, named as Writing 1 Quiz 1. After you perform this quiz, you need to make 10 sentences in your copies using but. I hope you have enjoyed today's lesson and you have learned a lot, and also you have learned how to use but in your sentences. So let's see you in another class and in another video. Take good care of yourself. Bye.